To solve the long-standing problem of street animals in the streets, the Palestinian city of Ramallah has established its first public veterinary center. Since the launch of the center a few weeks ago, the municipality has succeeded in collecting about 100 street dogs. Isa Kassis, mayor of Ramallah, said that random attacks by street animals and retaliatory abuses by people prompted his municipality to address the problem in a scientific way.
The main goal is to sterilize the dogs so as to limit unwanted breeding. We also need to tell people how to treat these animals in a proper way.
Taha Al-Rifai, a veterinarian at the center, is in charge of providing medical care and supervising sterilization operations for the collected street animals.
The first stage is to collect stray dogs from the streets. We will keep them in special cages for several days to check whether they are free of diseases and can undergo surgeries. Then the dogs will be sterilized. They will be released before we make sure that they can live in a public place that is safe for their health.
Locals have expressed their appreciation for the Ramallah municipality's efforts to deal with the problem of street animals, hoping that such an initiative could expand to cover all the governorates of the West Bank.